Prevent people from leaving the company. You can look at this topic from many angles. Will you work with benefits, increased payment, add vacation days? Let's take a look at this key topic from the perspective of HR audit. It means psychology, human relationships, and natural human motivation. Well, let's imagine that we know that the key person is leaving. We know that. He came to you with a statement. He's been talking about it for a long time, or any other clear signal. That is a situation where the person is usually already lost. They have no interest to stay there anymore because they see themselves going to a company where everything will be better, more beautiful and more perfect than with you. We start a communication by understanding that he wants to leave, and we will be happy if he tells us all the reasons, everything that bothers him, and what he thinks should be different in this company. Prepare for a very long list of negative things. Then ask him what he thinks is the worst of all these things and what actually made him leave. As a rule, the departing employee will say it's the sum of everything, but you insist that you want to pick one worst thing. When he finally picks that one thing, ask how it should be resolved to make it work, at least well for others from his point of view. I mean, what would be the best ideal solution for him? This is the point at which you find out whether you want to implement such a solution at all, or if there is even possibility to implement it. This is the moment when you find out how crucial this particular person is to you. You may be in a huge disagreement and have a completely different view on things. Then it's a good thing that he or she are leaving the company and they will not be there anymore. Or conversely, you find out you want the same thing and it will cost you money, time, energy to fix the problem, but it's worth it. If you're decided that you don't want to fix what's bothering your departing employee, thank them, say everything good, give them feedback, hear the feedback, wish them well, and that's everything. It wouldn't have worked anyway, and you already know that. But if you decided that you want to change it, now it's your chance to make the departing person an offer. I would say something along these lines of, I perceive that the issue that you're named as the key issue that you want to leave about is something that I want to change and that I can change. Can we work together to resolve this situation and move on? I see that we are in the same boat and have the same goals. I will be very happy if we implement this solution together. Is this a 100% rescue? It is not. Unfortunately, most of the people will probably leave anyway. But there are a few who hear this offer and realize they don't actually want to leave. The problem is that if you start dealing with situations while they are burning, you'll never get out. That's just the way it is. To avoid these things, do an HR audit. We'll teach you how to do it in our book, which you can find at audit-hr.com. It's even available as an audiobook. Or take advantage of our free 20-minute consultation directly with us. Give a like, keep on subscribing, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again in one of our next videos. See you soon.